say goodbye to Grok AI. We don't need Grok anymore, because today, we're going to use Google VO3 for free. Yes, you heard that right. Today, we're going to build our own app using just a single prompt and a powerful tool. And the best part? It's 100% completely free. And the videos you're watching right now? These are also created using the same method, fully cinematic, cartoon style, and even Minecraft style animations. So guys, if you're getting value from this, a like and subscribe definitely makes sense. And don't forget to drop a comment too, because we always bring you free prompts, free tools, and real earning methods. Now let's start the video. First, take a look at this channel, Sam Green. This channel is going extremely viral. He creates videos in Minecraft style, cartoon style, and even realistic video edits. Because of this smart content strategy, his channel is fully monetized. Let's talk numbers. Right now, he has over 4.22 million subscribers, and that too with only 278 videos. And if we talk about earnings, he has generated around 5.2K USD monthly. Yes, this is a monetized channel. A lot of people comment and say, this type of content doesn't get monetized. But that's not true. You can verify it yourself. Just take the channel link, go to any analytics website and check it. Every channel I show you is monetized because our goal is simple. We want you to earn money. Now here's the most important part. We've already prepared a master prompt for you. With this master prompt, you can generate image prompts, video prompts, voiceovers, full scene breakdowns, all in one place using Google VO3 for free. You'll find the link in the description. All you need to do is copy the prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it, click Generate. Once you click Generate, ChatGPT will automatically give you Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, all the way to Scene 8. Each scene will include image prompt video, prompt voiceover visual description. Everything done for you. If you want more scenes, you can generate unlimited variations. So guys, don't skip this video, because next, we're going to actually use the tool step by step and show you how to do this yourself. I've provided the link in the description. So guys, once you click that link, you'll land on a brand new website launched by Google. It's called Opal. This is a newly released platform, and all you need to do is simply open it. As soon as you open it, you'll see options like Input, Generate, Output. It might look confusing at first, but don't worry. I'll guide you step by step. First thing you need to do is click on the Sign In button. After clicking, just sign in using any of your Google accounts. Once you're signed in, you'll get a confirmation screen, a welcome message saying, "Welcome to Opal." Simply confirm it and move forward. Now, after that, you'll start seeing the interface. There's also a gallery where you'll find different types of apps that you can generate with just one click. But here's the important part. The app we're going to build today is not from the gallery. We're going to create it completely from scratch, using a prompt. So what you need to do is click on Create New. After clicking that, you'll see options like User Input, Generate, Output, Add Assets. This is where the magic happens. Now here, you simply need to enter your prompt. And don't worry, I've already prepared a complete master prompt for you. You'll find it in the description. This prompt includes everything. App structure, logic, features, modes, all details are already written. So what you need to do is copy the prompt, come to Opal, paste it into the prompt box, click Generate. That's it. Now Opal will handle everything. It will generate the entire app, structure, and functionality on its own. As you can see on the screen, our app has started generating. It usually takes around 2 to 3 minutes. And now, as you can see, the interface is ready. It's asking for things like video idea, mode, visual style, duration, and reference image. Everything step by step. Now, look at the right side. You can see VO AI. This means the platform has already created a working app for us, a complete tool that we can now use for free. So simply click on Start. After clicking Start, you'll see an option. Describe your video idea. Now here's what we're going to do. We already have our prompts ready, so we'll use them directly. If you want, you can upload a reference image first, or you can do it later. Both work fine. Now, go to ChatGPT, copy the Scene 1 prompt, and come back to Opal. Paste it here. After that, upload your reference image if required. For example, you can take a screenshot from any thumbnail or video. Now click Next. Generate. Next, it will ask for video mode. Here, you simply type 2D cartoon style, or any style you prefer. After that, it will ask for visuals. Here, type cinematic. Next, it will ask for video duration. Keep in mind, Google VO3 supports around 8 seconds per generation, so don't exceed that. If you go higher, the generation might fail. Now, continue. It may ask again for a reference image. Upload it properly this time so it can analyze it. And now, as you can see, it's thinking, analyzing, generating. Within a few moments, it starts generating a cinematic video. It even builds the backend. You can see it generating HTML and structure for the app. Just wait a bit, and there you go. Our app is ready, and our first video is generated. Look at this. It's clean, cinematic, smooth, and exactly what we wanted. An 8-second high-quality video, super powerful and visually beautiful. Now, to download it, simply click on Download, allow access, right-click, and save the video. Done. Now, let's generate more videos. Again, go back, click Start, and repeat the process. This time, copy Scene 2 prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Opal, set mode to 2D cartoon style, visuals to cinematic, adjust duration, upload reference image if needed, and click Generate. Now again, the system starts thinking and generating. It usually takes around 40 to 60 seconds. This is normal. Even other platforms take 1 to 2 minutes, especially for cinematic outputs. And now again, you can see it has generated another video for us. A beautiful Minecraft-style 2D cinematic animation, very smooth and powerful. I personally really like this tool. It's super impressive. Again, just right-click and save the video. Now for Scene 3 and beyond, follow the exact same process. Copy the scene prompt, paste, select 2D style, cinematic visuals, set duration, upload image, click Generate. That's it. So guys, today you saw how we built our own app using Google VO3, completely free. And honestly, this might not stay free forever, so I highly recommend go right now, create your app, and start using it. Generate videos, upload them to YouTube, and start earning. That's our goal, to help you earn using AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know in the comments what you want next. I'll make a video on that too, and please, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and support the content. See you in the next one. Goodbye.